Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s to the power of 2. So the square root of s square, you got s. So s and s, we have s square. Next, number 3, I will put 2 and number 1. So we know that number 2, that is about number 2 multiplied by s and 1 over s. So we have the formula in here. This is about identities. So we need to transform this one into this one. So s square minus 1 divided by s square. So we have 1 over 1 minus 1 over s square. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus 1 over s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u, this one we change for du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t, because if I put this one cone here, tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one I will put in here. Du, that is about this one. So this one, that is about secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, that is about secant of t. And now we simplify, and you got secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to find the value of t equals to arctan of u. So I will put this one to change for t. About t, tan t in here, that is about u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.